How to order a book online, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical topic: how to order a book online. Whether you're looking to expand your library, dive into new stories, or find textbooks for your studies, mastering this phrase can open up a world of knowledge right at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, order a book online. To order something means to request an item or service, usually by paying for it, with the expectation that it will be delivered to you. A book is a written or printed work consisting of pages glued or sewn together along one side and bound in covers. And online refers to being connected to the internet, indicating that the transaction or activity is done through the web rather than in a physical store. So, when we combine these terms, order a book online means to request a book through a website or digital platform, complete the purchase electronically, and wait for the book to be delivered to your chosen address. Ordering a book online is a straightforward process, but it helps to know the steps involved. Here's a simple guide. 1. Find a website. First, you need to find an online bookstore or platform that sells books. There are many available, ranging from large, well-known sites to smaller, independent bookstores that operate online. 2. Search for the book. Use the website's search function to find the book you want. You can search by the book's title, author, ISBN, or even keywords related to the book's content. 3. Select the book. Once you find the book, click on its title or cover image to go to its product page. Here you can usually see more details about the book, such as the synopsis, price, format, hardcover, paperback, or digital, and reviews from other readers. 4. Add to cart. If you decide to purchase the book, look for an Add to Cart or Buy Now button. Clicking Add to Cart allows you to continue shopping for more books, while Buy Now will take you directly to the checkout process. 5. Checkout. During checkout, you will be asked to provide details such as your shipping address and payment information. Make sure all the information is correct to ensure a smooth delivery. 6. Place your order. After reviewing your order and entering your payment information, look for a button that says, Place your order, or something similar. Clicking this will confirm your purchase, and the website will process your order. 7. Track your order. Most websites will send you an email confirmation with a tracking number so you can monitor your book's journey to your doorstep. To enhance your online book ordering experience, consider these tips. Compare prices. Before making a purchase, compare prices on different websites to find the best deal. Check reviews. Read reviews of the book and the seller to ensure quality and reliability. Understand shipping costs and times. Be aware of how long shipping will take and how much it will cost, as this can vary significantly. Look for discounts or coupons. Many sites offer discounts, coupon codes, or free shipping options. Keep an eye out for these deals. Ordering a book online is a fantastic way to access a vast array of literature and resources from the comfort of your own home. By following the steps and tips we've discussed, you'll be able to enjoy a seamless shopping experience. We hope this video helps you confidently navigate the world of online book shopping. Happy reading, and see you in our next video.